In today's video, I'm going to show you where to find Google Sheets shortcuts. Many use these keyboard shortcuts to make their work easier and much faster. Here's where to find them. First, go to your keyboard and press the keys Ctrl and /. If you're a Mac user, that's Command and /. Once you've done that, this panel will appear. You have your keyboard shortcuts right here, and everything from editing, menus, formatting, all the way to help will appear right here. Now make sure to enable compatible spreadsheet shortcuts for you to be able to use all these keyboard shortcuts. Another way to find this is to go to the menu bar, click on Help, and at the bottom, again with the same keys we've just pressed, Keyboard Shortcuts. Click on that, and there you go. The same panel will pop out. So that's where to find Google Sheets shortcuts. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.